Very good days, Miss Rosa Margarita. My name is Joel Saavedra, and today I will tell you something brief about my car. Master of Law. Lawyers play a fundamental role in society because they advise people on their rights and resolve legal problems. They also promote conflict resolution and defend the interests of their clients. Number one, relevant aspect performed by a lawyer. A lawyer advises his client about her right in legal matters, represents them in court or files complaints in court. It also performs relevant aspects such as research legal precedent and collect necessary evidence. He studies and interprets national legislation in order to better argue his client's case, determining the laws or criminal codes that apply to the matter. He defends his client in case he has been accused of committing a crime. Number two, personal professional plans and expectations. One of the plans and expectations that I have in my legal profession is to open my own law firm to guide and represent my clients. I would like to communicate with my clients and colleagues from different specialties to provide solutions and good advice that meets the needs of interested people. Number three, initiatives on projects to develop in your career. Among the initiatives that I am carrying out for the project that I have in the future in my career is to carry out my pre-professional practice in a law firm, which deals with many cases. That ones that most caught my attention were the case of family violence and attacks against women and children. I am always reading and studying the rural regulation and the criminal code the learn and support the professional I work with in giving good advice to clients who trust us to defend their right. In conclusion, with the experience and learning gained, it is a step to develop my project. Thank you.